Hi everyone. Today I am sharing with you a salad dressing recipe that is quick to make. Probably will only take you about 2 minutes to make, but it's healthy and delicious, and a bonus, no oil added. It's good for those that are watching their diet, their cholesterol level, or trying to live a healthy lifestyle. So here we go, and you only need 3 ingredients. That's it. These ingredients are probably already in your pantry. So we start with 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mustard. I have this spicy brown organic brand here, and it's really, really good, but any mustard will do. And then 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. That is it. And you mix it all in one container, preferably like this one, a mason jar container, and it can go into your refrigerator for about a week or so, even more than that. I've noticed that get longer in the refrigerator, it tastes better. So that is it. Your 3-2-1 salad dressing, and it's delicious. It's worth it. All right, enjoy everybody. Take care. Bye bye.